This is a quick review of writing algebraic expressions. We're going to write an expression for this phrase, 2 less than 3 times a number. Okay, so there's some key vocabulary here that you need to watch for. So less than, we know, means subtraction, and 3 times here, so you just recognize as multiplication. So I have 2 less than 3 times a number. So 3 times a number, that's my variable. 3 times a variable. Okay, but I want 2 less than that. That means I need to subtract 2 from there. So you have to be very careful with some of these because it doesn't always go in the order that the words go in. So it's really saying I need to take 3 times the number and then subtract 2 from that. Here's another example. 4 times the sum of a number and 2. Okay, now this is a clue. The sum of, when you see that, or the subtraction of, the difference of, that means you need parentheses. Okay, so saying take 4 times, which we should recognize as multiplication. So 4 times, here's my parentheses, the sum of, then we have a number, there's my variable, and 2. So the sum means I need to add those numbers together, and I have a 2 in here as well. So your expression just is 4 times the quantity of x plus 2.